Hello YouTube friends. I want to show you a quick check on I think this is about a 2002 Honda Odyssey 3.5. It may be similar on some of the other Hondas with the 3.5 engines, V6. Okay, so this car won't crank. Okay, and it also had some overheating issues. So let me show you real quick. If your car won't crank, something to look at. Okay, this is your sensor here, one of your sensors to run your gauge right there. This hose in the way, okay. And then there's a sensor down in here right by your thermostat, and those are not real difficult to unplug, but you have to know where the little lever is. But let me show you what this vehicle's doing. Show you a quick check on if your issues are, well, it overheated or it was running hot, different things. And let's go inside. I want to show you what it's doing. Well, it won't crank, but it sounds like it wants to crank. But look, the temperature gauge goes up halfway when it's not even running, and it hasn't been running in 2 days. So it's not hot, not even warm. Let's try it again. Tried. Now it's going to run for a minute. It's probably going to shut off. Yep. Okay, watch this. I'm going to turn this off. We're going to unplug one of these sensors, and it's the one in the front that operates the gauge right here. There's a little squeeze button on the top right here. Kind of squeeze that button, push it in and pull it up, and that'll come in. So you squeeze this button right here, push it in to release it and pull it up. Sometimes you just squeeze it and pull it up, it won't come out. Okay, so we've unplugged that. Now, so that was sending a false signal because it was telling the car that it was already warmed up. So it was probably giving it too lean of a mixture. As you can see now, I just turned the car on, and now my gauge is down below C, where it should be. All right, now watch. Cranks and runs fine. So that's just a quick check. If your car, check this, turn your key on. If it's registering any heat at all with the engine hasn't been running, it's probably a defective sensor there. So just something to check if your car's acting funny, if it seems to have been running hot. Now this one is also having an issue with the fans not coming on, and that's why it did run hot. So those sensors are going to be my problem because my fans weren't coming on correctly, and it got to where the engine wouldn't even start. Okay YouTube, thanks for watching. Have a great day.